legacy of Pride for me is that academic excellence knows no gender and no race. Success is the only option for everyone.
I think Pride does an exceptional job of having students feel at home, away from home.
So it really does have this ability to really leave a permanent imprint on students, connect them to the university, and help them succeed.
And we work with them to develop themselves as individuals, professionally, academically, and socially.
Pride is important, I think. When I had the brainchild for Pride was because we wanted to demonstrate across the entire campus how if everyone was focused on excellence, lots of people wanted to get involved and be a part of it.
Pride Office has definitely played a big role with understanding how I work academically, seeing what classes were best fit, and helping me sort of transition to where I would want to be.
And people are so geared towards seeing you succeed. These are the type of things that really stick with you and make you want to continue to be a part of the Syracuse University family and the Pride family.
In 1995, the original name was the Minority Engineering Program Office. And I thought, my goodness, 20 years after I was an engineering student at University of Pittsburgh, it had to be time for a different program other than a minority engineering program. So what we put in place were programs that allowed us to attract new students, retain new students, because my vision for the students at Syracuse, my children as I call them, all 859 of them, my focus was, once you're mine, the only way you leave me is with a degree.
Engineers need to be excellent at what they do. And setting that expectation early on, helping to support them to achieve that excellence, is perhaps the best marker, if you will, of our expectations, of society's expectations of engineers.
The Academic Excellence Workshops are a small group cooperative learning environment in which students, usually a group size of 6 to 8 students, are working with an undergraduate facilitator on a specific subject matter.
My participation in AEW helped me with my leadership skills and how to communicate problems to students.
And AEW was sort of a way to sort of open myself and be able to say, okay, I do need help on some of these things, and seek out help from my peers and, you know, the instructors.
The LCS Pathfinder program is our peer advising initiative. The students interact with the incoming freshmen over the summer.
We get a group of students and send them emails before they come, and then meet with them weekly when they're at school to help them get adjusted to life at Syracuse University.
The LCS Summer Start program, the College of Engineering and Computer Science has been one of the oldest partners within that initiative at the university.
Summer Start is really good in terms of giving you a feel for what college classes are going to be structured like.
This program allows students to get a jump start on their academics. In some cases, it also provides students with an opportunity to catch up on their academic skills before they come into their first year experience.
So me being part of Summer Start has allowed me to manage my time more efficiently and to become more independent.
The great thing about Summer Start is that you kind of get a preview of the college, and it allows you to form networks and friendships before school really kicks in.
Well, I actually chose to live in a learning community. Basically what that entails is, for me, I chose the engineering learning communities. We had all the same classes together. If I had trouble with homework, I could just go next door and knock on the door, you know, if it was 4 in the morning or, you know, at a more reasonable hour, 8 o'clock or something.
It allows us to really make friends because you can meet the people with the similar passion that you have.
I think it's a key thing, especially now that I'm an alumni, to have people see that, hey, I went through this, it really does help.
I am working with Zimmer Holdings, an orthopedic device company, and they will be training me to be a trauma sales rep.
My current position here at Lockheed Martin is the test lead for submarine program. I'm involved with all test activities in our program.
I work at a company called Langen Engineering and Environmental Services. I do anything from the planning of a development, planning of a subsurface investigation, all the way through to the actual construction.
School of Engineering has helped me first get the job, and second has helped me develop the communication skills needed, the leadership skills, and just the overall competence that will be needed to be a sales rep out in the field of orthopedics.
I feel as though Pride has done so much for me, and there's nothing that I can do to really, say thank you enough.
Because it is a program that is focused on excellence, that continues to keep academic excellence at the core of what it does, I think any and everything it wants to do, it will continue to do at the level that it continues to do it. So I'm very excited about seeing Pride celebrate 15 years.
It's grown a lot since I first started, and I think it's kind of wonderful to see that growth, and I think what's even more wonderful is watching the impact it has on other students.
Thank you to everyone that's helped to develop me to be the engineer that I am, and I'm still striving for excellence. I still feel that I'm majoring in excellence, and I want to thank everybody at Syracuse University that believed that I could be the person I am, and again, I appreciate it, I really do.
It's very worthwhile when you do something successful, that you pause and you take a moment to appreciate it.
Because it benefited me, and I'm sure it will benefit thousands of other students coming through the lines. So, this is my way of saying thank you, Pride.